We're making strawberry cheesecake, stuffed French toast, and if I give you a piece, you're gonna want to eat more. We're making strawberry cheesecake, stuffed French toast, and if I give you a piece, you're gonna want to eat more. Hello, love. Welcome into my kitchen. It's me, Gabrielle Reyes. Girl, you know me as One Great Vegan. And today I'm cooking you up some strawberry cheesecake, stuffed French toast, which I didn't even know it was a thing until you told me about this recipe and that you wanted it veganized. So here we are in the kitchen making this delightful, delicious treat. So the first thing we're gonna have to do, obviously, is make that milk and that egg mixture. And the way I'm gonna do that is start off with my vegan egg. And what I'm using is Follow Your Heart brand. I love using this when it comes to baking or when it comes to frying. Sometimes I'll fry my country fried chicken rolls inside the vegan egg, and then I'll batter it up, and this is perfect for this recipe as well. So what I have here is about 3 tablespoons of my vegan egg. Just pour in some cold water, and basically you're gonna be creating the egg. So just whisk it up, whisk it up, whisk that egg up, whisk it up, whisk it up, whisk that egg up. There we go. We are making the egg, and it's going to thicken up just a little bit. You're going to want to make sure that you don't have any of those grains in there from that powder. There we go. We have our vegan egg. Boom, 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 just like that. And what I have here is a big bowl, and this is what we're going to use to dunk all of our bread in. So add in your vegan eggs, just like that, in your bowl. And next, we're going to add in some full-fat coconut milk. Full-fat coconut milk. You can also add in coconut cream. That's just going to make it even more creamy and delicious. So add in about 1/2 cup of some full-fat coconut milk inside of our big bowl. And next, of course, we got to add in that brown sugar, baby, brown sugar, baby, brown sugar, baby, brown sugar, baby. Let's add in that brown sugar. I'm adding in about 2.5 tablespoons because your girl really likes brown sugar. And then let's add in some cinnamon spice. I'm gonna be going in with my cinnamon. I'm gonna be adding in about 3 teaspoons of some cinnamon. And then let's add in a splash of some vanilla extract, of course. This is just the standard kind of mixture that you make whenever you're making French toast. You can also use just egg if you want to. You can use cashew milk if you want to. I'm trying to make this nut-free as well for myself and for whoever needs a nut-free recipe. So splash in some of your vanilla extract. And then I'm gonna be adding in just a splash of some vanilla sugar. This is just a delicious seasoning and spice that my parents gave me, and it's just gonna make this taste even bomb. There we go. Add in that vanilla sugar. Be adding in about 1/2 of a teaspoon. I'm not gonna be going crazy with it. So let's stir that all around. Mix in all of your seasoning and spices, and you'll be able to start seeing it all come together in our pot. Ooh, you can start to smell that delicious mixture. And what's great about this is gonna cook and just bread up on that bread really nice. It's gonna get nice and thick, and that seasoning is gonna be fierce too. Sometimes also I'll add in a little bit of nutmeg. Mostly I'll be doing that if I'm making like a peanut butter or chocolate drizzle on top. And what's fierce about this recipe, you can add in whatever fruit you want. It doesn't have to be strawberry. You can do blueberry, you can do banana, you could do, I don't know, whatever kind of fruit you like. You could avocado if you're feeling wild and crazy. There you go. All right, so our milk and our egg mixture is done. Let me just set that off to the side. And the next thing we're gonna be working on is gonna be that cream cheese. Whoa, cream cheese. Whoa, cream cheese. Cream cheese. Very simple, cheesy cheesecake recipe. All you need is some vegan cream cheese, some powdered sugar, and then whatever fruit you want. So, I got my cream cheese for our cheesecake. I'll be adding in about 1/2 of a cup in my bowl. And obviously, if you're making this for a ton of people, you could use the whole container if you really want to. I'm just making this for my husband and for you, of course, at your wonderful home. So there we go. Add that in. Cream cheese, cream cheese. This brand, honestly, y'all, Tofutti, this is slaying the game, okay, with the cream cheese flavor, the texture, the thickness of it. Also, I really like Miyoko's, and Trader Joe's also has a really good vegan cream cheese as well. So just so you know. All right, let's add in our powdered sugar. Be adding in about 2 tablespoons. This is gonna be the main thing that gets that nice sweetness that you want. So add this in, and I'm using organic powdered sugar. That way I know that there's no like ground up animal bits and pieces in it. So just be aware of that if you're looking for that. If you're not worried about if there's any animal products in your sugar, just use normal sugar. But for me, I'm trying to be as good as I can to my body and only put life in my body these days, y'all. So there we go. So I have my cream cheese and my powdered sugar, and all I'm gonna do is just start mixing this up, start breaking up those pieces, and kind of just, this is cream cheese, very, very thick. So you're just gonna start mixing it around. We're gonna make a nice little mess too. There we go. All right. Oh, snap. All right, so our cream cheese is starting to thin on up because I've been mixing it for a little bit. And now that it's starting to get kind of thin and more malleable, you're gonna add in your strawberries. So what I've done is just chopped up these strawberries nice and small. You want the pieces as small as possible, that way you're gonna lay on over that bread real easily. So add in your strawberries or whatever fruit you want. Today I'm gonna be using those strawberries, and just mix that into your cream cheese. Just like that. Go in. Oh, this looks so fabulous. Look at this. Delicious cream cheese cheesecake right here. This layer, super simple. All right, there you go. Your cream cheese cheesecake is finished. We're just gonna pop this into the refrigerator for a few minutes while we get our other ingredients going. Vegan butter, vegan butter. How cool is this, y'all? Country Crock is now making plant-based butter, and this is what I use to start off that golden brown deliciousness that we're gonna get on our bread. So what I have here is just a piece of some butter. I'm just gonna put it in my pan. You're gonna start to let that burn down. You're gonna start to be able to hear that. She's gonna sound delicious. Bring it on close so you can see all the deliciousness going on. Come on, cook the butter down, come on. Cook the butter down, come on. Cook the butter down. All right, our butter is melting down, and that's the perfect time to start soaking our bread in that delicious egg and milk mixture with that cinnamon. Just getting this nice and drippy. I don't want it soaked to an unimaginable level. I just want it nice and dripping. And then you're just gonna put it on your pan just like that, and it's gonna crisp on up, get nice golden brown. We're gonna fill it with that cheesecake, that strawberry cheesecake we just made. Then we're gonna flip it around, y'all. It's gonna be so delicious. There we go. Add on all that. Oh my goodness, it smells so fabulous. Oh wow, look at that. Cook on down. Strawberry cheesecake, stuffed French toast. Cook on down. Oh, that cinnamon, that spice, everything is smelling nice. So I'm gonna let this cook down for about a minute, fill it with that cream cheese, and then, y'all, we got ourselves some strawberry cheesecake stuffed French toast. So before you add in your strawberry cheesecake, you wanna make sure that one side of it is nice and crispy. That way that cheesecake doesn't just fall through your bread. You want it to be nice and hard and firm, and that way when you bite into it, you get all that ooey gooey deliciousness. Our bread is crisping up, our bread is crisping up, bread is crisping up, our bread is crisping up. Well, now that our bread is getting nice golden brown, I'm gonna scoop in some of that strawberry cheesecake filling that we created, and you're just gonna plop it into the middle of your bread, and then we're gonna cover this up, y'all, and it's gonna be so delicious. There we go. Add her, and I'm getting lots of strawberries in this, so we make sure it's strawberry-tastic, okay? So then you're just gonna get your other piece of bread, and then you're just gonna plop it on top just like that, and press it down almost like you would with a grilled cheese sandwich. You're gonna let that just cook on down in there. Oh, y'all, I know when we break it apart, it's gonna be ooey gooey and fabulous. Strawberry cheesecake, stuffed French toast, and if I give you a piece, you gon' want it more. Trust and believe. So there we go. She is crisping up. I'm putting her in the middle of my pan. I'm just gonna let her crisp up till she's golden and brown. So let's dig in. She is almost ready to be cut in half. Then we're gonna sprinkle some of that organic powdered sugar and finish it off with some strawberries. A good way to be able to tell if your strawberry cheesecake stuffed French toast is ready, I like to just tap the top of it, make sure that's nice and crispy all around. You can start to see it get light, nice and darker on top as well. And that's how you know it's getting nice and golden brown and crisping up. And then it'll be ready to eat. Look at this beautiful creation we have made. So all I've done is I've just chopped it in half after it's gotten all golden brown. And now I'm gonna put on some of those other ingredients I was talking about. First thing I have here is my organic, delicious ingredient, my wonderful powdered sugar. You can't have French toast without powdered sugar, right? So I'm just gonna get myself a spoon, get a very little amount, and just sprinkle it on over, just delicately kind of sprinkle that on over. You don't need too much for this. It already has nice amount of sweetness and sexiness in it already. And then let's add on those strawberries, y'all. Then I think I'm gonna drizzle it with a little bit of maple syrup. Look at her. She is a beautiful creation, y'all, and it barely took any time to make this, seriously. Such an easy recipe. Let's see, how we gonna make her nice and pretty? There we go. Get all those beautiful strawberries, fresh strawberries, strawberries, fresh strawberries. All right, I'm trying to make this look really pretty, but I'm just gonna let her be what she needs to be. And then y'all, there we go. Strawberry cheesecake, stuffed French toast, and if I give you a piece, you're gonna want it more. Look at this beautiful creation I have created. Y'all, I'm about to dig into this beautiful, wonderful treat that I am about to go in, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in, my love. I'm so glad I got to veganize a recipe that you love, that probably thousands of other people really wanted to eat as well. So I'll see you soon when I deliver this delicious meal right to your front door. I'm gonna dig in on this one though. Thanks. See you later, love. Bye. Strawberry cheesecake, stuffed French toast, and if I give you a piece, you're gonna want it more.